In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between undefined and null in programming. So right now, I'm teaching JavaScript, and as we have seen before, you have to have an element, and you have to have an ID or a class name. So I have given it the ID of myAge1. You can see it over here. I named it myAge1. And right here, inside of the script tag, I'm using JavaScript to select that element. So I'm using a variable, my heading, and document by element by ID. I'm using that ID. So now I'll be able to print something to that element, and this is the default text, but I can change it. For example, I can say my heading.inner HTML equals to whatever I want, all right? So hello people or something like that. So we can do this, and I'm gonna get rid of this one for now. So let me talk about undefined and null. Undefined is when you have a variable. So let me declare a variable. So let's say that we have a car. So this car, let's say that if we just declare the variable without assigning anything, and let's say that we want to print this one to the user. So I'm going to say my heading.inner HTML. I'm going to say that variable. And right now you see it says undefined. So basically what this means is that it means that JavaScript is looking into that variable and it did not find anything inside of it. So think of it like a box. So inside of this box, there's nothing yet. But if I assign something to this variable, for example, I can say BMW. All right, so BMW, you see it's going to print it out to the user. And if I have a list of cars, I can make an array, and I can say, for example, BMW, comma, what happened to comma? Okay, got right here. So right here, BMW, let's say, Audi, and I don't know what other car is out there. So Hyundai. So you see, I have added 3 items into that variable and it prints them out. So it will not say undefined because I have a value here. If there's nothing, what will this do is that it will say undefined. So undefined means that it's looking at the value and it cannot find anything of it. So you see right here, I have the car here and I don't have anything assigned. So it's going to say undefined, of course. But sometimes, I can say no. If I say no, nothing will basically show up. So I have intentionally kept this car variable empty. And maybe later, so you see right here is not going to say anything. Well, let's say later that I say car value is BMW. So you see right here, if I just print this one out, so you see right here, I'm just declaring the same variable, but it's going to say error, so I cannot say let. So I'll have to say basically car and then assign it to something. So I'll change that and then I'll print that here. So you see now it's going to print it out. It's not going to say null or it will not show anything. So if it's null first, for the first line, it's not going to show anything because I kept it empty intentionally. But if I just keep it like this, it's going to say undefined. So the difference basically is, with null, you intentionally make it empty, and with undefined, it means that there is no value there yet, or there's nothing inside of that variable. So let me just write this down for you. So undefined is when JavaScript can't find any value, and null is when we intentionally keep a variable empty. All right, so this is the difference between the two. Now, before I go, I'm going to give you one more example. So I'm going to get rid of this for now. So let me just get rid of it. So you see this is the default text. Now let's say that I have a function that will say hello to you. So function, say hi, and let's say that I say name, whatever name we pass in, and I'm gonna open two curly braces. And now right here, I'm gonna say my heading dot inner HTML equals to name, whatever the name is. So now if I call this function, so say hi, you see it's going to say undefined because we have not given it any names. So now if I pass in a value, so I can, for example, say James, you see it's going to say James. Now we know that the value, there is something inside of this function. But if somebody, let's say, doesn't enter any names, it's not going to say anything. But if I add a number, it's going to say number, and if I say true or false, it's going to print that basically. So there has to be something in this function. You have to have something inside of this function to print it out. If it cannot find it, it automatically says undefined. So I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you have a basic idea about null and undefined. Thanks for watching, everyone.